This is a questions that a word problems leading to simultaneous equation, and the question let us to know that the difference between the digits of a two-digit number is 1. The number itself is 1 more than 5 times the sum of its digits. If the unit digit is greater than the tens digit, find the number. So this is a very interesting question that we need to understand some facts about it in ability to solve. So in solving a question of this form, let's start solving. It said difference between the digits, but you have to go back to the last statement that says, if the unit digit is greater than the tens digit. What do you even understand by this? This is what we call tens and unit. So a number is called tens and units. For example, we have, let x represent the tens unit and let y represent the unit digit. But you may not get it right now. Let me just say a number is 23. You recall that for writing this number out, you said is 23. So which you can able to rewrite as if you have 20 plus 3. This is what brings about 23. So this is a number that we call 23. So in having, but they now let us to realize from the question, it said if the unit digit is greater than the tens digit. So if, and this is a unit digit, if the unit digit, this is y, greater than the tens digit. This statement will now help you to solve to interpret the first statement. And what is the first statement? The first statement says that the difference between the digits of a two-digit number is 1. So telling you that, and it's giving you a plus 1. So now telling you that y minus x is equal to 1. So this is what gives you audacities to let you to know that y minus 1 is equal to 1. So that is how it is. Let's interpret according to, so we are able to explain from, so the equation 1 from these questions will let us to know that y minus x is equal to 1. This is equation 1. So now, and the question continues. Recall, I tried to explain from another time to say that tens and unit, I have x and y. So if I have x and y to be my tens and unit, it means if I now want to write my number, so my number from this fact, my number will be 10x plus y. So this is my number. So if this occurred to be my number, and it said the number itself is 1 more than 5 times the sums of its digits. So telling you that the number itself, that is 10x plus y, it says is 1 more than. So in mass, what do you understand by more than is plus. More than that, 5 times the sum of its digit. So this is just the meaning of what is trying to explain from here. He said the number itself is 1 more than 5 times the sums of its digits. So we continue from here to have 10x plus y is equal to 1 plus 5x plus 5y. So from this area, we now have 10x plus y minus 5x minus 5y is equal to 1. So we try to rewrite this to collect the like times. By collecting the like times, so we now have to collect the like times to have 10x minus 5x plus y minus 5y is equal to 1. Adding this together will give you 5x. By this we have minus 4y is equal to 1. So we have this to be equation 2. we're able to see from the beginning that we have already have equation 1 to be y minus x is equal to 1. So from here we have equation 2 to be 5x minus 4y is equal to 1. So let's try to combine the equation together to have y minus x is equal to 1, which is equation 1. But let's try to rearrange y minus x to equivalent with 5x minus y. So we have minus x plus y is equal to 1. So this is the original equation 1. So 5x minus 4y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. So let's try to multiply equation 1 by 5 to make it easy. So we have minus 5x plus 5y is equal to 5. So we multiply this one by 1. 5x minus 4y is equal to 1. So now let's add together to have, so this will turn to 0. Y will be equal to 6. So from any of the equation, you recall that equation 1 is y minus x, which is equal to 1. And we are able to get the value of y to be 6 minus x is equal to 1. So if equation 1, it is giving us this, let's try to make x as a subject of the formula to have x. We have 5 is equal to x. So telling you that here x is equal to 5. So let's back to things and unit. So we're able to represent our unit by 5. Our tens by 5. Unit, which is y, we represent by 6. We're able to see that the answer here is 56, which we can able to rewrite as 50 plus 6. So now, you know, from the question, it said the unit digit is greater than the tens digit. So the answer is the real number, which you have able to have written then is 10x plus y. So by putting 10 onto 5 plus 6, we now have 50 plus 6, which is equal to 56. So that is the value. So try to share this video to those you believe they will really need it. And please, in a way to compensate us for this stress and other, please follow us. Follow me, please. Click the follow button, like this video, and share. And this is also part of way of getting more engagement in TikTok and YouTube. For you to get a better engagement, you need to follow someone. Anybody you follow, you react, you share the video, you put into favorite. And also, in case you have any question in this video, you have any question in my comment section, just try to write it the way you want it. Maybe the topic or the order. Just let me know. I will do a video for you for free without any collecting cover from you. So thanks for watching this video, and thanks for sharing this video. You are really wonderful.